So good morning guys. I'm gonna try to install bluestone on the steps here, and then that's the last thing I have to do on this patio here. We did 2 pillars, one on each corners, and we're doing a set of stairs, and we did a retaining wall here. And this is around 500 square feet patio. We did a retaining wall on the other side, so it's like a sitting area all around basically. So I'm just gonna try to install this bluestone here. Right. This is the first step here on top. I did it out of pavers, and the rest are going to be bluestone. Alright, so that was the first step with pavers, second step with bluestone, third step with bluestone. Let's grab the other piece. Kind of tight. I only left like ½ inch on each side. have enough pitch the water going forward. All right. Spread the concrete evenly. Ready for next piece. This one went a little bit easier. Very nice and even. Right, it's perfect. I just knock it down so you get the concrete out a little bit. That should go. It's got enough pitch and perfect. Guys, so this is it. I installed this bluestone. I still have to do the joints underneath a little bit. I'll let them set a little bit and then we'll do the joints even on the side here. Okay, and this is the final product. I still have to put polymeric sand on the patio here. So I still got to do sand, polymeric sand. That's the next step, and that's the last step. So we did this retaining wall here, and we did a pillar here and a pillar over there at the corner. We put caps today, and we did this retaining wall all around it. I think it's around 500 square feet, and the wall is around 80 feet long all around. I did put a drain pipe underneath, and this should be all set. This is the wall from the outer part of it on the outside. This is the other pillar. That's the patio. Still got to do a few touches here and there. I'm gonna put some topsoil in here. And these are the steps that I just did. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe.